All right, let's see if we can turn this into a magnetic mount. Got some requests for one. I think we could pull it off. I'm thinking of going with these guys from Amazon. They're rated, I guess, for 30 pounds. Already has some thread on the back. I think these will go well. I'm gonna start with one, see if that's enough to hold it. I think I'm gonna use two, but let's see. I like the sleek design, so if we can get away with one, we'll do it. So here's what I came up with. Got a hole in the back. That's where the magnet's gonna sit. Obviously the screw comes in from the top. Let's go ahead and print this out and see how it handles the weight. Shove a screw in there. Back end. It's on there nice and good. Looks good. Not too sure about the weight though. Says 30 pounds for the magnet, but I doubt that. Looks sleek though. Let's give it a shot. Well, sticks. Little weak though. Right at the point where the weight's gonna be, so it's not gonna fly. I can already tell. It's just gonna snap right off. Let's go with two. All right, redesigned it, stretched it out, add a second magnet down there. I think this is gonna do great. We got a magnet up top and at the bottom, so kind of help it not snap off. All right, I got it all sliced up. Supports for the gear, heavy brim, and a little support up top for that antenna hole. Let's see how this prints out. All right, see how this did. Looks pretty good. Got space for both magnets now. That one. Great. Fits on there pretty sweet. Go. Throw an antenna on there and test it. All right. And it's on there. Comes off, kind of pushing it, flicks it off, but seams on there with a straight pull. Look-wise, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks pretty slick. So yeah, I'm gonna get this posted on printables. Maybe somewhere out there can help me test it. I'll put a link to the Amazon magnets I used on there as well. Yeah, I could use some more testing. Thanks, guys.